Right out of the gate, you see that room is separate from this, and that's really intentional. One of the things that we've learned through the process is how important it is to have thermal and humidity control for the area that the printing is done in. So we've isolated our print room here to be able to finally control the temperature and the humidity, which is really critical for the tolerances and the dimensional accuracy of parts. We've got several multi-jet fusion machines. They're all the same, and they can run any of the materials that we have available in our processing center. Any one point in time, we can have dozens or hundreds or even thousands of parts in a particular build. Those parts may be for a specific project or for a multitude of projects that are all combined together. And what we'll do is we'll design each of those builds to make sure that the pack is optimized for the particular project.